everyone. It is Tuesday morning and it is a beautiful day outside today. I think it's going to hit about 80 degrees today, but it is totally feeling like fall. It is still like cold at night, it's getting really chilly at night, and the leaves are starting to turn on trees, so it's looking like fall, it's feeling like fall. So you guys are probably wondering where I've been because I did not vlog at all last week. Last week was the start of the school year for the girls. So they both started, Emily and Zoe started on Tuesday. Got them off to school just fine. Wednesday morning I woke up and was completely stricken with some horrible head cold. I was down for the count. I pretty much did nothing but sleep all day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It was craziness. So it's been a week. Almost a week since I was sick, and you can tell my voice is not quite right. I'm not 100%, but I am functional now, so that is a good thing. So anyways, so we are in week 2 of school. The kids are doing very well. Homework really hasn't started too much. They haven't had a whole lot of that, but both volleyball and tennis has started for Zoe, so things are very, very busy. Yesterday Zoe had her very first tennis match after school, after only one day of practice. And then this week she has volleyball, only one day of practice for volleyball, and then they actually play games this coming Saturday. So they're not easing into it. It's just like full throttle into both sports this year, which is fun because it's always fun to watch the games. So that is happening. Emily also is not feeling very well, but she did go to school today. She came home yesterday sick from school, and she's still not feeling all that great, but nothing's really come of it, so she decided to go to school. So yeah, so I am just trying to get my house in order after the long summer of having all the home. I feel like my house is disorganized, or just cluttered and dirty. So starting yesterday, I have been cleaning one room at a time, just going through the house and decluttering the rooms, straightening them, and deep cleaning them. So that is what I am planning to finish doing today, or not finish, but continue to do today. And I am moving into the living room, the hallway, and the entryway today. Yesterday I did the kitchen, and my kitchen is looking oh so pretty, and I am loving it. So that is my main focus this week, is to get my house in order and feel like I'm in control of the situation now that school is back in session and things are revving up and getting super duper busy. So I feel like I need to be organized, and this is the way I'm going to get it done. So today I'm going to do some vacuuming and some cleaning in the living room, and then I'll work on a few things for my channel and hopefully get a nap. And then of course I want to start decorating for fall, but I don't even really know what I want to do yet, so I'm kind of waiting on that. But I did go to the grocery store yesterday, and they had a whole bunch of like heirloom pumpkins and white pumpkins. White pumpkins, I have never ever ever found white pumpkins in our area, so I picked up like 6 of them. Here, I'll show you. So this right here is about all the decorating I have done. I think I'm going to go with like a super simple theme this year, something like this. Maybe I'll add a little bit of greenery in here. But look at these cute little pumpkins. Oh, I just love them. They're called Caspers. They're a little bigger than the small ones that I normally get. So I've got 3 there. And then over here, oh wait, I picked up 6. And then I have 3 more up here, which I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. And then I picked up a huge, well, I might as well just take you out there and show you. I picked up a huge, like, squatty pumpkin and a mum to go out on my front porch by my front door. So I'll take you out there real quick and show you what I did out there. Nothing special, just a little something fall-like for, you know, a little something. Alright, here we go. So I picked up this pumpkin. Isn't it cool? I just love it. It was $6. I thought it was pretty cool. And I just put it on my chair that I always have there. Added this little wreath up there. And then I have some red mums in a bucket, which I just watered. So there's my little fall decor for this year. I'll probably put something on the front door too. But I haven't done that yet. So probably put a wreath on the front door or something like that. So yeah. So I have all the windows open today because it is gonna get a little toasty. But right now it's only like 70 degrees out, which is amazing. Alright, so I am going to let you go because I feel like I have been chatting a really long time. And I'm going to go get some work done for the day. So I will check in with you later. Bye.